Good morning everybody, and today another mailbag. Now I'm working on parts for the MintySynth, which I built in a previous video. So what I want to do now is connect it up to Midi, and hopefully in these packets that I haven't opened yet because they've only come this morning, and hopefully there will be the parts in here. Now probably not too exciting parts, but once all put together it should be jolly good. So today I'm joined by my mate Stanley, if you know that quote. Stanley knives. So in here first, from Bright Components, we have, looks like a DIN socket, smaller than I thought. Hopefully that will be suitable enough for my project, because I need to connect the MintySynth to Midi. Now in the top, get this open, there is the connector here, which was TX, VCC and ground. Now I'm not too sure about Midi. I downloaded a program the other day, so hopefully and there's instructions on Arduino forum about how to hook it up, and I spoke to the person who created, oops, this is blunt as pie, spoke to a person who created the MintySynth, or I believe he created the MintySynth, and should be able to do it. Now what do we have here? Switch Electronics, 20% off. Ooh! Now there you go. Use code. There you go. If you go to switchelectronics.co.uk, first 20 you can have 20% off there. That's a non-sponsored link. Now this is a servo extension cable, and that should plug into the top of here. Let's have a quick go. 3 pins up there. It's resisting it slightly. Oh no, there we go. So a bit more professional than just sort of soldering things on, and obviously removable. So we have our servo extension cable that will have a clippy here, and when we have our MIDI socket there, let's move that out of the way, and in this one, I think I might just rip this one open. Oh, we should have a USB MIDI to USB dongle apparatus device. Now on the website, I got this on eBay. We might have a look at the listings, we might not. That was a bit tedious last time. But if you go on eBay and type in USB MIDI, you can find this device. Now apparently this allows you to obviously plug it into your computer and plug in MIDI devices, which hopefully should line up with this socket here. Aha, superb. So you've got all the connectors there, and what you need to basically do is connect this to this with a few resistors in between, just to limit it down. And then you should be able to, in theory, the guy I spoke to has never tried this, be able to connect that into a computer, so the notes coming out of that can be transposed into a piano, saxophone, bird song, whatever. So that all goes in. I believe it's MIDI in is, even though the arrow's pointing out, or both arrows point out, don't know if that will focus. I think MIDI in is MIDI into the computer, and out is to do with keeping everything together. So that looks quite good. Then our next step is to probably breadboard this up. So I've got a little project box that I'm going to use. Probably won't use another tin. Possibility. Could use another tin to do the Midi, and that I have to probably measure that up, but that looks a possibility. So I've got little plastic project boxes, but might as well keep on a theme. Ooh, that looks oops, a bit tight. I probably could be mounted into the lid, or onto the side as the logical place, but with enough, should be enough. Getting a bit tight for depth as well. Obviously with let's pull this out. Possibility would have to be wire the cables a bit rooty crazy, but we will do another video where we will breadboard this up. I'll see if I can I've got two laptops and try and drag one of them in. I'm going to set up main computer, be just could do main computer and screen capture. Worth thinking about. Okay, need to start my day. Post had literally just come and the time is, actually it's about 10:30 at the moment. So until next time, I'm a Duty Page. This was a quick post bad, and goodbye from Sleepy Stanley as well. So until next time, stay safe, take care, and goodbye.